NVIDIA Control Panel Best Settings. Press on Use Advanced 3D Settings. Select High Performance NVIDIA Processor. Follow these steps to change settings. Sharpening off. Ambient occlusion off. Anisotropic filtering off. FXAA off. Gamma correction on. Anti-aliasing mode off. GPUs, select your NVIDIA graphics card. System fallback policy, driver default. Dynamic boost on. Low latency mode, off. Max frame rate off. MFAA off. GDI compatibility, auto. Rendering GPU, select NVIDIA graphics card. Power management mode, prefer maximum performance. Shader cache size, 10 GB. Anisotropic sample optimization off. Negative LOD bias allow. Quality, high performance. Trilinear optimization on. Threaded optimization auto. Triple buffering off. Vertical sync, 3D application setting. All settings has changed. Now click Apply. Max performance settings sets. Choose a program to get max performance. Set this to global setting. Processor, select NVIDIA graphics card. Click on Dedicate to PhysX. Hit on Apply. All set FPS boost. Share. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.